Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn off our auto date updater in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To turn our auto clock and date off, we have to go to settings, all the way down, we have to scroll all the way until we have general management. And here we have date and time options. So automatic date and time. Use the date and time provided by your network. To turn it off, we simply uncheck this little box. And now we can manually set the date and time that we want. If we want to change, we just adjust our time to the preferred one and done. Same with date. We have all the calendars available here. We can also change the format of our date. That's all. Our date is now our automatic date is now turned off, and it won't update to the internet one. So it won't update to the current one. It will think that the date is starting from the date that we set it up here. So that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.